Hello viewers, are you looking for the best drones you can buy this year? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will be reviewing the top 5 drones of 2023 so you can make an informed decision when it comes to buying one. I will be going over their features, specs, and price range to give you the best possible overview and help you make the best choice. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. S8000 Drone 4K HD Dual Camera. The S8000 Drone 4K HD Dual Camera with Optical Flow Obstacle Avoidance FPV Professional Aerial Photography Helicopter RC Quadcopter is an impressive drone with a ton of features. It has a 4K HD dual camera with optical flow, obstacle avoidance, and FPV capabilities that make it great for professional aerial photography. The long-distance remote control is easy to use and the battery life is great. The stability and control are top-notch, making it great for experienced drone pilots. Overall, this drone is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance, feature-rich drone that won't break the bank. Number 4. K911 K3 Pro Professional FPV 6-Axis RC Drone. The K911 K3 Pro Professional FPV 6-Axis RC Drone is an exciting new drone that is perfect for boys and tech enthusiasts alike. This drone features a 1-key takeoff, 1-key landing, ascent, descent, turn left, turn right, 360 degrees roll, headless mode, fast gear, slow gear, photo video, switch dual camera, face recognition, automatic photo, gravity sensor, trajectory flight, making it one of the most versatile drones on the market. With a 4K single, 4K dual resolution video camera, 3.7V 1800 mAh modular battery, and a 150 meters remote controlled distance, this drone is perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. Additionally, the arm is foldable, making it easy to transport and store. Number 3. The new 1.2 K911 Max GPS Drone is a great choice for those looking for a professional-grade drone with dual HD cameras and a long range of up to 1,200 kilometers. Its brushless motor gives you smooth and quiet flight, while the foldable design makes it easy to take with you. The 8K HD photography is great for capturing stunning aerial shots. If you're looking for a drone that can do it all, then the 1.2 K911 Max GPS Drone is the perfect choice. Number 2. AE3 Pro Max GPS Drone. The AE3 Pro Max GPS Drone is a powerful and affordable option for those looking to take their aerial photography to the next level. The 8K Professional Dual HD Camera, 5G 3-axis gimbal, and obstacle avoidance technology make it a great choice for capturing stunning images and videos. The Smart Mode allows users to choose from a variety of panoramas with ease, while the Enhanced Photos feature automatically optimizes image quality. The Direct Download and Instant Editing feature allows for quick editing and sharing, and the Imaginative Template feature allows users to create and share their creations with ease. Overall, the AE3 Pro Max GPS Drone is a great choice for those looking for an easy-to-use, high-quality drone. Number 1. F13 GPS Drone. The F13 GPS Drone 8K HD Dual Camera Wi-Fi FPV Professional Aerial Photography 3-Axis Gimbal Brushless Motor Helicopter RC Quadcopter is an amazing piece of technology that offers a great combination of features for aerial photography. The drone is equipped with an 8K HD dual camera, Wi-Fi FPV, a professional 3-axis gimbal, and brushless motor helicopter. It also has intelligent flight modes that allow you to get the best shots with ease. In my opinion, the F13 GPS drone is a great choice for anyone looking to get into aerial photography and filmmaking. It offers a great combination of features and performance that make it an excellent choice for all levels of users. Highly recommended.